Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create minimal slides in Google Slides step by step in 2026, so you can design clean, modern, and professional presentations that are easy to understand and visually appealing. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to google.com. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password to log into your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the Google Apps grid and select Google Slides. When Google Slides opens, choose an existing presentation or click the plus icon to create a new blank presentation. Let the slide load completely before starting your design. To create minimal slides, start by choosing a simple theme. Go to the top menu, click Slide, then select Change Theme. Pick a clean theme with simple layouts, light backgrounds, and readable fonts. Minimal slides work best with fewer colors and plenty of white space. Next, focus on your text. Keep text short and clear. Use one main heading and only a few key points per slide. Avoid long paragraphs. To adjust text style, select the text box and choose simple fonts like sans serif options. Use larger font sizes for headings and smaller sizes for supporting text. Now, manage colors carefully. Stick to one or two main colors throughout your presentation. You can change text or background colors using the toolbar. Consistent colors help maintain a minimal and professional look. When adding images or icons, choose high-quality visuals and use them sparingly. Insert images by clicking Insert, then Image, and place them neatly on the slide. Make sure images don't overcrowd the content and always support your message. Alignment is also important for minimal slides. Select objects, click Arrange, then use Align options to keep everything clean and balanced. Use spacing and white space to let your content breathe. Avoid unnecessary animations and effects. If you use animations, keep them simple and consistent. Minimal slides focus on clarity, not distractions. Finally, review each slide and remove anything that doesn't add value. Less content often makes a stronger impact. That's how to create minimal slides in Google Slides step by step in 2026. Clean design improves focus and communication. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next full guide. Hey, everyone.